this series up to infinite terms. Let a is equal to the expression. This expression is expressed in the terms of cos. Write another expression, name it as b. We express the same kind of series but in terms of sign. Both the expressions are almost same, but one key difference is first expression is in the terms of cos and the second is in the terms of sine. Multiply by iota in the second expression, so it becomes iota b iota sine pi by 3 1 by 2 into iota sine pi by 3 1 by 3 into iota sine 3 pi by 3 up to infinity. Let it be equation 1 and let it be equation 2. Next step is add both the equations. Cos pi by 3 plus iota sine pi by 3. Combining this cos pi by 3 and this. Similarly, this cos 2 pi by 3 with this sine 2 pi by 3 in the next term. Plus, now combining cos 3 pi by 3 with iota sine 3 pi by 3. And it goes on up to infinity. Cos of theta plus iota sine theta. So cos of theta plus iota sine of theta whole raised to power n becomes cos of n theta plus iota sine of n theta using de Moivre's theorem. Using these two identities in the expression, we get e raised to power iota pi by 3 for the first plus 1 by 2 into e raised to power iota pi by 3 whole square plus 1 by 3 into e raised to power iota pi by 3 whole raised to power 3 plus so on up to infinity. Since log of 1 minus x is minus x squared by 2 minus x cubed by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 minus so on up to infinity, which can be modified as multiplying both sides by minus. It becomes minus log of 1 minus x is equal to x plus x squared by 2 plus x cubed by 3 plus so on up to infinity. Applying this expression on the right hand side of a plus iota b, we get minus log of 1 minus e raised to power iota pi by 3. I can write this e to the power iota pi by 3 as, from Euler's form, cos of pi by 3 plus iota sine pi by 3, which further becomes minus log of e raised to power minus iota pi by 3. This 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 iota is expressed in the terms of e raised to power iota pi by 3. Applying the property of log, because log x to the power m is m log x. So this is acting like power. So iota pi by 3 is placed here and it will multiply with log e, and log is equal to 1. So this becomes iota pi by 3. On comparing, a is equal to 0 and b is iota pi by 3, because b here is the imaginary part and pi by 3 is the imaginary part with the iota. Therefore, the expression becomes 0, and that's the final answer.